This guy went from failing 7 prop firm challenges in a row to now getting funded $600,000, and now he's quitting his job to travel the world full time. But here's the crazy part. He figured out a way to fail challenges and still make money. And today we're diving into his insane journey, the mistakes that almost made him quit, and the secret strategy that turned it all around. If you've ever wanted to make a full-time income from trading, then you don't want to miss this. As a quick introduction, first off, where are you calling from?
Yeah, actually, normally I'm based in London, in the UK, but currently I'm Thailand, actually, on holiday.
Oh, nice. Cool. Tell me kind of the quick backstory, like why did you get into trading in the first place, and kind of how did you get into trading initially?
Yeah, so actually I've been like introduced about 5-6 years ago, and initially it's just in social media started to seeing posts like copying signals from other people that they post the trades, and I just need to make the trade on my phone and stuff like that. So that was like an interesting idea that I could easily make more money. But the issues started to come out with that basically I pretty much needed to have my phone every time with me, and like if I missed a couple of minutes or something, the trades went off, and overall most of them wasn't profitable as well. So that went some time. Then I actually looked into more like manual trading, and I was on and off of that as well. But why it seemed good that the scalability of that it's kind of in a way that with low amount of money or high amount of money you trading the same thing, but you can in forex open a bigger lot, but you trade the same way, only your psychology would need to change to able to handle that.
Right. Okay, so I actually had a very similar story. Got in first with the trade signals and then started going down this journey of manual trading, and it was, I mean, for me, it was really difficult. I don't know, were you having success as a manual trader? Tell me about that.
Yeah, so it's been very, very difficult, and it's been very challenging, actually psychologically as well, because for me it was really hard to control my emotions. Then when I had a big win on the trading, then I felt like that I'm invincible, that I can double down. And then I had a big loss, and then I didn't want to look at the chart for like weeks and stuff like that. And coming back after it was difficult again. So I think that was like very, very challenging.
And when did you first start trading with prop firms? Was that when you first heard about us, or were you already trading with prop firms prior?
I think when I heard about you guys, that was the first time. Actually, I think haven't even like heard about prop firms before. So I knew about like forex trading, crypto, but the prop firms, I didn't know about them.
Okay. And so when you first came across us, how did you come across us, and what were you skeptical about?
So actually, I was following you like I think sometime before that about crypto related content, and I was in your Discord as well. I think in the crypto one, and saw your videos on YouTube. So I already had like a sense that you're like providing or value and doing a good product, and you have already like a community built. So like Blue Edge wasn't like a new thing to me. So I think I was like already subscribed to your email newsletter as well, and that's where I saw that you're having a live webinar. So that was actually the very beginning. I remember that when I joined, we're still trading on MT4 and the golden goose strategy and stuff. So actually the product came a long way since then. So
Wow.
yeah.
Okay, so you've been around since the Golden Goose days. That's since like the very beginning when we started trading with proper. That's pretty cool. And so you've obviously gone through quite a journey as we have in building our product. And where are you at now? So I know you started with signals and you started doing manual trading, then you came across us, and you've been on this journey for a couple of years. So where has it led you to, and what sort of achievements have happened?
Yes, so actually, also my journey with prop farming, it's started out a bit difficult because yeah, I started out that I have so I think I understood the concept yeah early on, that is the plan is to plant as much seed as possible, and yeah, so some of them will grow. But I started out, I think, failed 7 100K challenges in a row by
Wow.
starting, and at the time we haven't had the hedging
Mm.
options, so that was a bit mentally taxing as well, because yeah, in my mind I kind of knew or hoped for that is like working, and saw like other people in the community that it's working for them, so it must be working. But then yeah, failing 7 challenges in a row, that was a bit difficult. And then I started with or like move on to the different strategy that actually scaling down, that I went down to just 10K accounts. That was a lot easier to handle psychologically as well, because it didn't cost that much to run those. And actually, when I started to yeah pass the 10K accounts, then I scaled back up again to 100K accounts, and yeah, then I passed, I think, still back in the day with true forex funds,
Hmm.
had yeah 200K accounts funded. And I remember that the first payout that I got from them, that was 5K. So that was like a very, like a big personal achievement for me, that was able to do that.
Hmm.
And then also, I, yeah, after that the market was like up and down. And then also I was like on and off prop farming as well, because I've had like other things that I was focusing on.
Hmm.
Maybe yeah, not the best things, because I have this issue as well, this like shiny object syndrome.
Mm.
Then whenever I hear about like something new that it's yeah sounds like promising and things like that, and then I start looking to that, but then I realize that's actually not that easy to scale or like yeah move on.
Hmm.
So then yeah, after that, yeah, I started taking challenges with my forex funds as well. And yeah, when the whole issue started to came around MT5, and yeah, true forex funds and my forex funds disappeared. So that was yeah on an issue as well. I lost, I think, at the time I had 250K funded in true forex funds, and 100K with my forex funds. And then with what was the other one, the TFT, the
The funded
funded
trader. Yeah.
trader. Yeah, so I lost 100K account with them as well. So yeah, that wasn't really a good period. But actually, when you guys introduced the hedging, that's actually, I think, that changed the whole game around prop farming,
Mm.
because that helped a lot to psychologically bear the losing streaks as well. And I actually started to do like over hedging early on, before like I think the coaches or like the community started to pick it up.
Hmm.
more. So yeah, it was very rewarding when I saw that I failed the challenge, but I made $200 or $300 on it. So that's very different than losing 500 on one. So
Right.
yeah, that helped a lot.
Okay, so when hedging came out, that was kind of the game changer for you. And then what's happened since then? Like, have you built back your funded accounts and kind of treating this like a business now, or where are we at?
Yeah, when hedging came out, I started to scale up more, but yeah, also was haven't passing as much. I think it still was yeah uh, had also a losing streak, but I haven't losing money, but actually making a little extra. But then yeah, and after that, just started to passing more and more challenges, and yeah, now actually yeah really uh, started to treat it like a business, because now I'm planning on to quit my 9 to 5 and really just focus on this like full time, because yeah it has great potential. So currently I have yeah 600K, six funded accounts. So that's already like a great position to be in, because yeah if I just yeah, conservatively speaking, if I can just make a 2% withdrawal a month from each of the accounts, then already more than I actually need for my expenses. And yeah,
So a lot more vacations in Thailand after that, or what's your plan? Like, what are you gonna do?
yeah, so probably yeah, gonna be more traveling. Yeah, wanna visit a few more countries in Southeast Asia, Japan, Taiwan, the Philippines. So yeah, probably gonna be like a lot more traveling.
Wow, that's really cool. And what is it that you do for work currently?
I'm a software engineer.
Okay, got it. Okay, cool. That's a pretty cool story. You've been with us since the Golden Goose days, way back when, and then now you're up 600K funded currently, which is great. And yeah, with that amount of funding, you should be able to make a pretty good income from that. So, what is your recommendation to people that may be watching this? Well, first off, would you recommend it, and to what sort of people would you recommend it?
Of course, I think I would yeah recommend people that can yeah follow up a plan that, and yeah also that they want to have like the freedom that yeah prop firming can provide.
Yeah. Okay. Anything that for somebody that's like, hey, I want to have success like David has, and I want to be able to have the freedom and be able to travel and stuff, like, what would be your advice to them, kind of as the last question here, that you feel like helped you the most in having success along this journey?
Yeah, I think consistency is the key to always run challenges, and yeah just follow the plan, and yeah also yeah follow the community as well, because yeah like at Blue Edge yeah we really got a great community on the chat, and yeah everybody is here for the same thing, and yeah people are really helping each other, and the coaches, and yeah everybody is pretty great, and actually the progress that you're making with the product, I think it's incredible that how far you guys came from early on, yeah, from the golden goose strategy to where we at now. I think it's yeah, it's pretty incredible.
Well, David, you're an OG since the Golden Goose days, so it's cool to finally meet you here face to face. Congratulations on your success, by the way. As always, we're an open book, so if you have any ideas on things that we can do to improve, then let us know, and enjoy Thailand and the rest of Asia that you're planning on traveling to. It seems like you have a pretty cool itinerary that you're going to follow.
Yeah, thank you, appreciate it.
All right, my friend. Thanks so much for jumping on, and talk to you soon, okay?
Thank you, take care.
Thanks.